In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close your Kit account. Before we get started, keep in mind that closing your account is permanent. Once you complete this process, you may lose access to your data, history, and any features tied to your account. So, if there's anything you might need later, such as invoices, reports, or downloads, it's a good idea to grab copies before you begin. With that in mind, let's walk through the process step by step. First, sign into your Kit account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings section. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or your account icon, often in the top right corner of the screen. In the Settings area, locate the Billing section. This is where Kit manages your subscription, payment details, and any plan-related options. Go ahead and open the Billing page. On the Billing page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here, you should see an option labeled Cancel Plan or Close Account. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your current subscription or interface version, but it will be clearly related to canceling or closing your account. Click on that option to begin the closure process. Once you click Cancel Plan or Close Account, Kit will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. These prompts typically ask you to confirm that you really want to close your account and may also ask for a reason for leaving. Take a moment to read each message carefully. Choosing a reason is usually required, but it doesn't affect your ability to close the account. It simply helps the company understand why users are leaving. After you've gone through the initial prompts, you may be asked to enter your account password. This step is there for your security, to make sure that only the rightful account owner can permanently close the account. Carefully type in your password, double-checking for any typos, and then proceed. Finally, you will see a confirmation button to permanently close your account. This is your last chance to change your mind, so only click Confirm if you are completely sure you want to proceed. Once you confirm, your Kit account will be scheduled for permanent closure and the process is complete.